Alright, welcome to the how to calculate your grade in this course. So I'm going to show you that basically on the home page under syllabus and schedule there's a grade calculator. Okay, the first thing you want to do is just click on that and it's going to download an Excel file. Okay, and basically you can open up that calculator, which is going to basically have everything in here that you need. Okay, and if you look under in Blackboard, okay, if you go back to the home page and you would go into your grades, basically you're going to get a list of all the grades that you have so far in the course. Okay, and if you go through, basically you can put in your different exam scores here. So if you have an 80 on the first exam, 78 on the second exam, and a 65 on the third exam, and your final, maybe you have an 80. Okay, those are automatically going to calculate into this portion with the different point values. Okay, since each one's worth 125 points. Then if you look in Mastering Chemistry or on Blackboard under the grades, you'll see your Mastering Chemistry homework score. Once again, there's 170 total points possible, but only 145 will count. So there's no way that this green box can have more than 145. Okay, so say you do all your homework and you get everything correct, then you have 145 points there. Okay, then if we scroll over, we have our quizzes and our reading and lecture, this is projects. And so basically under this quiz module, say we have each of these quizzes are out of 10. So if you look on Blackboard, you can just copy down those different scores. So we'll just say real quickly that these are the scores that you have for your different quizzes. Okay, you can see that adds up to 88.5, and it actually already puts it over in here as well. Same thing with the projects. Now you're going to go through each one of these are worth 15. So based on the scores you have, you'll put those in, okay, for each project. All right, and then you can see here where it says lowest project score. So you're going to go back and find the lowest one, which here project number 9 you had a 7. Okay. And then this is your total points awarded for that. So then if we come back over, basically everything is now in your grade center. You have your total points shown here, which is 830. Okay. Then we can just look at what the letter grade is. So we have greater than or equal to 810. So we have a B in the class. Okay. And so that's how you know where you are. Now say you haven't taken the final exam yet and you want to know what you have on what you need on that to get the grade. Well, basically if you just delete that, so there's no grade there, you have all your other grades in, then you can come back and say, okay, we'll have 670 points. Okay, right now I would like to be able to get a B in the class, so 810 minus 670. Okay, so we can show that right here. It's 140 points. Okay, so we need 140 out of 200. Okay, so if we take 140 divided by 200, we need a 70 on the final exam, which will give us 140 points and give us an 810. Okay, and so you can do this for each of these in order to calculate what you need on those different exams. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Thanks.